One of our newer features here is the our audit history. So this is the watch the watcher, anybody that's logging into the actual management console, what they're doing, if are they editing policies, if they install a recorder, uninstall a recorder, that kind of thing will all be logged here. So for example, as you can kind of see here, but I'll run a quick example here. So if I go to policies recording, say I want to add a policy, and we'll just keep that default. Open the settings. Okay, so I want to edit my policy. Maybe I don't want screenshots and keystrokes. Click OK, and then that creates the policy. And then from that point, okay, so maybe I want to modify it. Somebody comes in and maybe switches keystrokes back on. Okay. So now we just modified the policy. Or if somebody comes in and just deletes it altogether, it'll be deleted out of there. Now it takes a minute for these records to get processed into the database. So you can see the older ones, so they haven't shown up yet. And there's the remove. So we come up here. So another feature we have is we can export. So we have the ability to export to a CSV file. And then we have this option to disable it altogether. Another thing we have too is this our help documentation. So if you do maybe want a little more detail on what everything is and how to export, everything is all listed here and what everything means. And another if you want a little more detail as well, so somebody removed the policy, maybe I want to see which policy they removed. So this is what policy they removed, the name, and then if it was a Windows or Android or Mac. So that is our audit feature.